In the quiet hours of early morn, a soft melody begins to form. Your smile lingers like a whispered tune in the hush of a waking afternoon. Every glance sparks a tender light, illuminating dreams in the gentle night. I pen these words with all my care, hoping you sense the love I share. This little love song written just for you hums the truth of what we always knew. Every note and every line says I'm yours and you're forever mine. A simple tune from heart to heart, a quiet love that will never depart. Under skies brushed with a soft blue hue, I see a reflection